Aerial images are a vital tool for landscapers in measuring job sites and planning out landscape and irrigation projects. Let me show you how to use aerial images in LandOne for planning a project. To get started, after you've created the project, you'll want to add in your plan files section here an aerial image. To do that, simply click Add File. Next, select Capture Aerial to open our Capture Aerial modal. In LandOne, you have the option of two different image sources. If you're on our Pro tier, you have access to NearMap. NearMap provides you with the highest resolution, most up-to-date imagery available today. You also have access to Google Imagery. So if you're only on our Essential tier, you'll only have access to the Google Imagery and not the NearMap on the Pro. To get started, simply click the search icon and begin searching the address of the property that you want to pull up. You'll notice that as I'm typing, search suggestions come available. So when the property you want comes up, simply click it and you'll be brought in view over the top of that property. The next step is to adjust the zoom level for what you want to do. So if you're measuring this property for, say, a mowing bid, you'll want to make sure that you adjust the zoom by clicking the plus and minus icons so that the entire property is brought into view so that you can measure this entire property. However, if you're going to do something like an enhancement design, maybe say we want to do a new design for the side of this office, you can zoom in using your mouse or these plus and minus icons to the level that you want to do, because you're only designing in this area, so you only want to capture that image. Another thing to note when you have NearMap imagery on our Pro tier is you also have the ability to toggle between different date images. This can become super helpful in areas where there may be a high tree cover. You can adjust the image to an image that was taken during a leaf off time. When you're happy with the zoom level in the image that you're going to use, the next thing you'll want to do is click Capture Image inside frame to capture that image. So I can click Capture Image, and it's going to drop that image in here in my Plan Files section. And now I'm ready to start measuring or designing. So I can click Markup Plans, and I'm brought in here with my image here in my markup view. One last thing to note about our aerial image integration is that your scale is already calibrated. So there's no need to calibrate your scale. Simply add in your materials and begin designing or measuring the project. For more tips on how to use LandOne, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos in our tutorial playlist.